In this video, I'll show you how to use GMGN. It's going to be a complete beginner's guide, so ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and things like this. Now, I want to make a disclaimer, right? This video is not for any financial advice or any reason, right? And I'm making this video just to share my thoughts on how anyone can use the GMGN, right? So let's say if you love to use this, you can just watch through all I'm going to say in this video. This video is not for a financial, like this video is not a financial advice video. I'm just doing it to share my thoughts on what you should know. So whatever you're doing, you should always do your own research, right? So yeah, this is our GMGM, and at first when you come over to GMGM, you're gonna see a whole lot of tokens right here, right? So this is the new pool. These are the tokens that are just launched just now, right? If you look here, you're gonna see this token is launched 7 seconds, 8 seconds. So these are the tokens that I think the liquidity has been burnt or something like that, right? So you can see the market cap is currently rising, and if you look right here, you're gonna see, I think these are the ones from Dex Screener. So yeah, I guess these ones are from Dex Screener, right? So this is it. And if you click on this meme right here, if I switch on the meme option, you're gonna see a lot of tokens right here. This is status, this is token age, this is soul balance, right? This how much is Davis holding, this is the market capitalization, this is the trading volume. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see a whole lot of it, right? And the more you scroll down, the more you see a whole lot more about it, right? So from this meme, you're gonna see the one that was from, I think, this new creation completing, all right? So these ones are currently completing their cycle, right? So this one 94%. It's 1 hour old with a market cap of $38,000. So I'm soaring, I think, yeah. So I'm currently moving. So this one I think completed, yeah. This one I completed, right? So you can see the market cap of most of them, they are pretty high, right? This one has more than $246,000 in just 1 hour, right? So if you go back to, okay, this is the new pay, this is the filter. You can see a whole lot of tokens that are currently launched that are new pays, right? So you can come on and you can filter any token from your choice. You can do this as well, you can do this, right? So you can attach the amount you want to buy as well. So the trending here, you're gonna see a lot of trending tickers, right? From the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours. These are the tokens that are currently trending, and you're gonna see all of them by the market capitalization. Then this is CT, right? So this video is not a financial advice, right? So if you're doing this, do it carefully, right? So this is what we're gonna do basically right now. If you want to do this, I think I made some previous video on my channel about how you can carefully do this, right? So whatever you're doing, you need to be very careful. If you look at the 7 days PNL, you're gonna see how much they have been in the last 7 days. So this wallet has made more than $108,000, right? In the last 30 days, it has made close to like $500,000, right? $500,000. And I think yesterday it made $18,000. So I think this is a good guy, right? So if you check through, you're gonna check the last 30 days, you're gonna see this guy win rate is 78%, right? So which is cool, right? Which is cool. So you're gonna see everything right here, and if you scroll down, you're gonna see a lot of them, right? A lot of them, they are right here. So yeah, this is lens. There's a whole lot of them. So this is for it. Then for this, you can see some other, okay, you can see the code right here, right? That is the key opinion leaders. I think you can see some things right here. So yeah, this for it. So if you head over to this one, you're gonna see, I think you're gonna connect Telegram to this for this. Then for the monitor, you can monitor some, I think you basically need to sign in, right? Or something like that. So you can come on here on the smart, you're gonna see a whole lot of them. So if there are any influencers you love to watch, right, I think you can come on here and do some meaningful things, right? So yeah, that is it. Then I think this is the follow, this is the holding, and right here you can come on and search for any token you want, any token of your choice. You can come on here and search for it, right? And I think you can convert this to any chain you want. This is the soul, the 8, the base, the BSC, the Tron, the plus, right? So this is where you can connect your wallet, right? You can see I can also connect my Telegram wallet if I want. So you can check your wallet, your referral, and all that, right? So these are the social applications right here. So I think this is where you can get your referral link if you want to do that, right? So that is basically how it works out. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. If you have anything you want to tell me, if you have any questions you want to ask, feel free to share your thoughts below in the comment section. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me till the very end of this video. Thank you all. I really appreciate. I'm gonna see you all in the very next